Morning. Super quick stream. Then I'm getting breakfast and I'll be back for the whole day. Which one of these do we use? Actually, we have some more. There's a lot of runs. We can probably go check. It's got a very low coefficient on here. $26,078. $256 archive 001. So min loss coefficient. That's pretty solid still, right? It's like nice and stable. So just 001 and 256 is all we need. Let me try that. You need to sleep, bro? What do you mean? I get lots of sleep. Like, what is it? I was working until like 10 or whatever. 10 something. Went to sleep at 11. Woke up at like 7:15, 7:20. Went for a run, did a couple things, and now I'm here. And I'm only here for a half hour or so before breakfast, and then I'll be back for the rest of the day. Is it 001? Was that the loss? Yeah. Let's see if this replicates. O3 is not bad on physics. Didn't actually need to see the original paper. Well, it might have been trained on the paper, right? Read a chapter of Friend's thesis and probed it. Why the heck is it like any good at math if it sucks so badly at programming? Yeah. It's funny because historically it's been the opposite, right? You would think that you could have AI be very good at symbolic manipulation, I like classic methods are. But it seems like the newfangled AI is bad at that and better at like concept stuff. But it's not even because it still screws up. At least I mean I use Grok, what is it, Grok 3 beta, and it screws stuff up constantly. Hey Nishant, how's it going? We were just here for a half-hour quick stream, checking results, running a few things, thinking about what to do today. Then I'm getting breakfast, and then I will be back for the whole day. They thought it would be harder to replicate the artists and the engineers. I don't know. I still would, I mean, I'm still going to be hiring artists whenever we need puffer stuff done. Because they will actually take feedback and do stuff based on it. This is a very solid learning curve for Snake. Why don't we check on Neural MMO in the meantime? Oh, let's see. Here's, yeah, very well close to the original there. Okay. It's like perfectly replicable at least. Could have been trained. I mean, is there no version of the paper that's open access? But yeah, probably they're training on papers. I wouldn't be surprised at all. People keep posting like, oh, GPT creates Snake. I wouldn't be surprised it's trained on my Snake code. I mean, there's so many implementations of that, right? Why did my experiment not... Why is this breakout above anything else? Huh? Oh, there we go. 512 Hidden Size Impulse Wars went well. On par but train faster. Yeah, you should get like a decent little bump. So here's latest snake policy. Which keyboard do I use? This is Razer Black Widow V4 75% with orange switches. Pretty much all the peripherals I have are Razer. They make good stuff and it tangibly gets better every generation, which is not true of most things. Like this keyboard is noticeably better than the V3 or V2. It's got like a much denser frame. It's got like a better, more durable wrist rest. It's good. When I have a bit of time, I'm going to try to do a sweep where the amount of training time against Sting Duck, sweep the amount of time, and then scripted bot back to back. Yeah, you can do that. I mean, we have so much new stuff. Are you on Muon yet, Captain? If you're not on Muon yet, you should be. Did you get any, like, did you get anything out of them? I'm curious. Actually, not really. Okay, that's weird. It seemed like it was way better for me. And just make sure is this actually doing anything. I got in 80% by doing curriculum learning with Adam. I see. Yeah, you should definitely do head-to-head versus Adam because I've at least gotten a lot out of Muon. It seems good. So I want to make sure here is like Diane actually doing anything. It definitely trains in fewer steps than Adam. Okay. That's something then. Let me open up term in the meantime. So this one's done. We have enough runs from this. So that's actually, yeah, Diane's not doing anything here. Okay, that's unfortunate. So then how is it that, I'm confused as to how something's weird here for sure. I was about to like add this to neural MMO3, but now it's like, it shouldn't be meaningfully increasing the network capacity, right? Hmm. I guess, do you expect this to do more on like maze or something? Which is like a hard exploration task? There's something weird here because it didn't used to do this well. Yeah, so this is definitely then the same with or without, right? This must have just been like a combination of other factors. Oh well, RL's hard. I make mistakes once in a while. Make sure the model size makes sense. At 152, okay. It's supposed to help on like hard exploration tasks, right? Let's kill this because this is obviously matching. Well, I don't know. I kind of want to let this one run. Let me go get the other box that I have, which I think is it box 4. Okay, so this is the usage. There's our system usage back. I'm trying to map out what we do today in my head here. I have some algo stuff and I have some infra stuff that I have in mind. I think we'll just see when I'm back from breakfast which one I want to start with. Good stuff all around though. Check a couple messages, see how meetings are. No meetings. So I have one guy who I'm sure will want to chat later today. Anyone else? Okay, that's screwed. I have to go check on box 6 at some point today. Is there anything I can run on the other box in the meanwhile? So we definitely need to do any of this. We can leave this as is. But like layer norm, something like that. Do they put it after every layer? Actually, I think Kyung had some experiments we can use. For the last layer. The heck? Oh. Hmm. It's kind of weird. I guess because it's a wrapper. Okay, so we do that. It's fine by me. This just gets us like an extra experiment going. And we'll still have a spare box or two. Okay, we'll probably have to go at any second here. Yeah, but that'll be set now. So we have a good snake model. But Diane didn't really do anything for it. So I think things to do today are going to be, there is some engineering on the end bindings so that we can actually use our grid and other M's that we want to use. We have two different classes of perf optimizations to get the perf back to what it was before this new dev merge. Maybe even a little higher actually, once we do that optimization. And then there's stuff to investigate on Diane. I don't know if we'll have time for this, but the one other thing I wanted to look at was paper. Wasn't this the one that had the fast slow? I thought that Alpha Star was the fast slow in RNN. Maybe it was Xland. Or maybe it was Capture the Flag. Yeah, it's Capture the Flag. Okay. There was like a pretty cool thing in here that I thought was decent. Let me see if there's an ablation on it. Yeah, they've got like these maps. No ablation. Yep. Okay. I gotta go. I'll be back in half hour, 45 minutes. Thanks, folks. See you soon. Bye.